Okay, I don't know how many videos of this there are because I haven't searched it, but I'm gonna show you a little way to rack up those runes. So first, obs, get this guy on there. And then we're gonna use the arrow one. And another, actually I like that one. Another arrow one. And then we got a bow. I got this one because reaches far. It's got good range. Okay, then we're gonna go to the bow. Oh, we already have it. Okay, double hand it. Okay, I guess you can't. Okay. And let's make sure we have lots of arrows. Okay, and then you want to wait until he's like in this, like just passing this tree. And there's a crap load of money for you. It's way better than doing this. This is a good rune farm, but this one's way faster. And then you can just rest at the grace. And you can use a pickled fowl foot to make it even better. So, you're welcome.